Hey guys, Alexandra here, aka the Not So Evil Stepmother, and we are going to do our BoxyCharm unboxing, which has got a little drama with it, to be completely honest. But first, I did want to let you guys know, because I've had a lot of questions about this. Baby's doing good. The due date is Valentine's Day. I am 14 weeks, almost to 15 weeks as of right now. I did get the baby tested for like spina bifida and preeclampsia and Down syndrome and all that, and everything came back good. So I'll show you guys, we got pictures. There's the baby sucking his thumb. So, which I thought was really cute, and I'll put a couple more up here for you guys. So everything is going really good, and I know a lot of you guys wanted to see my baby bump. So here it is. So it's not much of one. I'm tiny, so I've got a little bit. The baby is the size of a peach right now. So a peach, all right? So there you guys have it. What do you guys think I'm gonna have, a boy or a girl? We find out here at week 18. So I'm kind of excited. So anyways, you guys let me know what you think, and I guess let's just get on into this BoxyCharm unboxing, because like I said, there's a little bit of drama with it. So go get your tea, whatever. I've got my water today. So, and let's get on into it. Alright guys, so as I said before, this is my BoxyCharm unboxing, and as you can see, I have not opened it yet. I mean, we kind of pretty much know what's in there, obviously, since we do all the spoiler videos. But I will tell you a couple things, a couple problems that I found out about this box after the fact, and I'm glad that I waited till now to do this unboxing, and I will explain why. So this right here, the Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal Palette. Now, we've been discussing this a lot on my Instagram page, and if you would like to follow me and get in on all of those discussions, feel free. I will link the description, or I will link my link to my IG page down in the description. But here's the deal with it. So these three bottom colors right here are apparently not approved for use on the eye. Now this is coming right off of Laura Lee Los Angeles' site, and I will show you guys these right here. So I did a little digging and a little research, and I've had a whole lot of comments on my IG page, and basically what it comes down to is that where this is animal cruelty free and all that, okay, so normally if it's not cruelty free, the reason why is because they like crush beetles in it. And then to make it cruelty free, they have to put special dyes and colors and these really bright colors down here in the bottom, and because of that, it can stain your eye. I had a lot of people comment and say that their eye actually did get stained and they did have problems with it, and I had a lot of people comment and say that they did not have any problems with it. So because of that, and because my skin right now, as you guys can see, I don't have any makeup on. My skin is going crazy right now with the hormones and everything, and makeup is just not, it's just, I'm having problems wearing makeup right now. So I'm not going to add to those problems by using a palette like this, so I'm probably going to put this in a giveaway or something like that, or I don't know, maybe gift it. Christmas is coming up. I'm an early planner. I like to think ahead. So that's the deal with the Laura Lee Los Angeles palette, just so everybody knows. It's, you know, if you have very sensitive skin, I would not probably use that, but that's just my opinion, okay? So yes, according to her site, it is not approved for the eyes. The next thing that I have here is the Odessa, New York Organic Infused Age-Defying Nail Treatment Essentials. Now, I guess this was, you could either get this nail oil or the NCLA. As you guys can see, I got the Odessa. So that's not too bad. Always could use, you know, cuticle oil. Can never go wrong with that, right? You want to keep your cuticles nice. The next thing is from Bang Beauty. Let's see. And this is the chocolate gel eyeliner, as you guys can see. And again, I am not going to dip into this because I'm going to put this in in one of my giveaway boxes. And when it fills up, which by the way, we have one almost completely filled up. So when it gets filled up, then I do a giveaway on it. So, and we also will have we just hit 500 followers on Instagram. So I will be having a giveaway on that as well. So keep an eye out for that. Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. All right, so obviously we got 3 of these in there. This was an item that pretty much everybody got. Let's see, I got the Smashbox Be Legendary Lipstick in the color Fair Play, and this is a matte. I don't know if I'm not gonna swatch this because I don't know if I'm gonna keep this or not, just to show you guys. There, it's a very pretty nude color, but I mean, this is what, you know, BoxyCharm is known for, is sending out those beautiful nudes, right? Those nudes, those taupes, those browns, they love to send them to us. So I got another one. And then last but not least, I got the House of Lashes Heartbreaker set of lashes, which you guys know I love me some lashes, so I am not upset about receiving lashes. I know a lot of people were like, no, I don't want lashes. Me, on the other hand, I love lashes. You can't get enough of them, so that is when I can wear makeup. So anyways, now, here's the fun part. Are you guys ready for this? As always, so we just did that quiz, right? The beauty quiz on BoxyCharm. And as you guys know, I always get variation 1. So I was really curious to see whether or not this month, since we just did the beauty quiz, if it would actually take an effect, you know, if they were gonna send me a different variation. But no, I once again, as you guys can see right there, got variation 1. So from what it looks like to me, the quizzes are not going into effect right now. I don't know why, but it is what it is, I guess. So anyways, this again was my BoxyCharm unboxing. And I have to be completely honest with you guys. I'm not like, I really wasn't like, I mean, like, you know, a few of these items are okay, like the lipstick's all right, the Wonder Beauty's okay, the lashes, you guys know I love lashes, you know, but this just wasn't a box for me that I was just like really overly excited about getting, you know. And then the palette is kind of useless to me because I'm not big on staining my eyes. And then on top of that, you know, I'm pregnant, so I really have to be careful with what I use. So yeah, this just wasn't a really exciting box for me. So you guys let me know what you thought about your August box. I just have to say this was not my favorite. I really hope that September steps it up a lot, a lot. But supposedly they are with the whole Boxy Lux. I cannot talk today, you guys. My brain is just woo-woo. So anyways, that's all I have for you guys today. As always, like I said, if you want to follow me on IG, I will put that description or in my description down below. I really appreciate you guys watching. And if you haven't subscribed yet, it would mean the world to me, of course, if you did. And for all of those who are already subscribed, you guys know how much I really love and appreciate your patience with me while I've been getting through this pregnancy nausea stuff. So anyways, thank you so much. Bye, guys.